Hi, I'm Dustin Mason from Performance Lexus in St. Catharines. And today, on Lexus Lessons, I'm going to show you how to change the battery in your key fob without having to go to a dealership or anything like that. So the first thing you're going to do is remove the key shank. So in the key fob, you'll see a little lever on the side of it. You're just going to push there with one of your fingers, and that will allow the key shank to be removed. Now on the key shank, there is a little kind of ledge or lip there, and you're going to use this to actually kind of pry open the key fob. Now the way they've designed it is pretty easy. If you're careful and you're not outside in the cold or something like that, you should be able to do it in a way that's not going to break anything. So what you do is you just kind of insert that into the groove in the middle of the key, and you're just going to twist a little bit very lightly. It'll come apart quite easily. This is a brand new key fob for a new 2023 RX, so the shape might look a little bit different, but this will work for any Lexus key, probably from at least early 2000s and up. Once you do that, you'll be able to remove the cover, and you'll have two pieces. So this is just the back cover kind of, and then now we have this little circuit board sitting in the front of the key fob. Now the circuit board could be removed, but it's better just to kind of like leave it there. And you'll see the battery in there. In this particular one, it's a CR2032, so 2032. Now, what's holding in the battery is kind of like four little ledges. I usually kind of just loosen those up with my fingernail a little bit, especially on a newer key. If you haven't removed it before, they might be just a little tight. And then what you're gonna do is just kind of pry that battery out. I'm not gonna do it right now because I don't have another battery to put in it. And then just make sure when you put in the next battery that you have it facing the same way. So this one, you can see the positive, the little plus side is facing me as I do this. So just make sure when you put the other key in, or the other battery in, and you can get them at pretty much any store. So once that's back in, you're just gonna put that cover back on. Again, you're just gonna kind of line everything up. It's super, super simple. And you're gonna squeeze a little bit, you'll hear a click, and you just put that key shank back in, and just make sure it works, because if it doesn't, maybe you used the wrong type of battery, maybe it's not in all the way, maybe something didn't line up properly, or maybe your key didn't work to begin with. Anyway, thanks for watching.